Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will read the essay Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him. Our holy prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was born at Makkah. His father Abdullah had died before he was born. His uncle Abu Talib brought him up. He was always honest and truthful. People therefore called him Amin and Sadiq. The Arabs had no religion worth the name. They worshipped idols. God chose the Prophet to teach them the laws of a good life. First, they opposed him bitterly, but they accepted Islam at the end. They stopped gambling and drinking wine. They gave up their social evils and became good Muslims. When the Holy Prophet passed away at the age of 63, his message had reached all over the world.